Hello, I'm Steve from Paper Starlights. I'm here to show you how the Paper Starlights work. On receiving your Starlight, it will be packed flat, like so. To open, don't pull by the cords or by the points of the star. Place your hand in the first segment and gently ease each segment open, like so. Once fully opened, it just simply ties over a normal pendant light fitting, tying so the star becomes fully closed and will sit on top of the light fitting where it won't touch the bulb. The light fitting should contain a low energy light bulb of up to 16 watts. Now the only difficult thing to do is to choose from our extensive range.